trying to find a specific word or phrase inside a PDF. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to search text in Adobe Acrobat Reader, use advanced search options, and quickly jump to the exact information you need. Let's get started. First, launch Adobe Acrobat Reader and open the PDF you want to search. You can use the Open File button or simply double-click the document if Acrobat Reader is your default PDF viewer. The fastest way to search is by pressing Ctrl F on your keyboard. You can also click the search icon if it's visible in the toolbar. A search box will appear where you can enter your keyword. Type the word or phrase you're looking for, then press Enter. Adobe Acrobat Reader will instantly highlight the first matching result and show you exactly where it appears in the document. If your document contains multiple matches, use the next and previous arrows beside the search box to move through each result. This makes it easy to review every occurrence without scrolling through the entire document. For more detailed searches, open the Advanced Search feature. So here you can search for exact words, make the search case sensitive, or even search across multiple PDF files if they're stored in the same location. If Acrobat Reader can't find text that you know is in the document, the PDF may actually be a scanned image instead of searchable text. In that case, you'll need an OCR version of the file before text search can work, and that's how you search text in Adobe Acrobat Reader. Whether you're looking through a short document or a large report, these search tools can save you a lot of time. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more software guides, and thanks for watching.